Marriage, a sacred bond, demands love, respect, and unwavering commitment. At its core lies the necessity to make your partner feel cherished and valued like royalty.
When a man treats his wife like a queen, he doesn't just shower her with material possessions. He creates an environment where she feels heard, appreciated, and deeply loved. This essay, my friends, delves into the profound impact of small gestures, those simple acts of kindness that speak volumes and make a world of difference in a marriage. Remember, a queen's garden flourishes not just with grand gestures, but with the consistent care of her devoted partner. Just as a single flower cannot compare to the beauty of a well-tended garden, so too do small acts of love, when practiced regularly, create a tapestry of happiness and fulfillment in a marriage. A single kind word, a helping hand, a thoughtful gesture. These are the seeds of love that blossom into a magnificent relationship.
When a man consistently makes his wife feel like a queen, he creates a legacy of love that strengthens their bond and enriches their lives together. There will be circumstances that some people will be against her. Be her knight in shining armor. Defend her from them and stand up for your girl. Always protect her from others who are trying to let her down. Be there to be her shield no matter what happens. In the grand tapestry of marriage, it's easy to overlook the significance of small, thoughtful gestures.
We often associate grand romantic gestures with love, but the truth is, the little things, the everyday acts of kindness, truly nourish a relationship.
Think of a warm smile when she walks into the room, a heartfelt compliment on her appearance, a listening ear after a long day. These seemingly small gestures speak volumes. They communicate love, respect, and attentiveness. They say, I see you, I value you, and I want to make you happy. These small acts of love are the building blocks of a strong and fulfilling marriage.
Imagine coming home to a chore you dread already done, a task silently taken off your plate. That's the power of a small gesture. It shows you care, you pay attention, you're a team.
Gentlemen, it's time for some hard truths. How can we truly honor our wives and make them feel like the queens they are? Start with words of affirmation. Compliment her genuinely. Express your deep admiration for her strengths and accomplishments, and tell her how much she means to you. Never underestimate the power of a sincere, "You look beautiful today," or "I'm so proud of you." Next, offer a helping hand.
Marriage is a partnership, and sharing household responsibilities is not just nice, it's essential.
Offer to cook dinner, do the laundry, or run errands without being asked.
These acts of service are not just chores. They are demonstrations of your love and commitment in tangible ways. These actions don't just lighten her load, they speak of true partnership, of shared responsibility for the life you're building together. Remember, a queen doesn't rule alone. She has a king by her side, supporting her every step of the way with unwavering dedication. They say chivalry is dead, but to some girls they still want their significant others to treat them like a queen. Opening the door for her or just being polite when you speak to her is never too old, and trust me, she'll find it romantic. Being a gentleman is a plus. Doing this to your girl will let her feel that you are a good man, most especially when you are with the people close to her. Life gets busy and routines set in, but never underestimate the importance of quality time together. Plan regular date nights, just the two of you, away from the distractions of daily life. It doesn't have to be extravagant. A simple walk in the park, a movie night at home, or a dinner at her favorite restaurant can do wonders for keeping the romance alive. During these dates, truly be present. Put away your phones, listen attentively, and engage in meaningful conversations. Show her that she has your undivided attention and that you cherish the time you have together.
These are the moments you'll both look back on. The stolen kisses amidst the chaos of life. The reminders that amidst the roles of spouse, parent, employee, you are still at your core, two people in love. The science of small gestures. The impact of small gestures on marital happiness is not just anecdotal, it's backed by scientific research. Studies have shown that couples who regularly engage in acts of kindness and appreciation report higher levels of relationship satisfaction and are less likely to experience conflict. These small gestures release oxytocin, the cuddle hormone, which promotes bonding and strengthens emotional connections.
So, gentlemen, the next time you're wondering how to make your wife feel loved and appreciated, remember the power of small gestures. They are the lifeblood of a happy and fulfilling marriage. It's not about grand gestures reserved for anniversaries. It's about weaving love into the everyday fabric of your lives. Love's legacy. In the grand narrative of life, our relationships are the chapters that define us.
Making your wife feel like a queen is not about subservience. It's about respect, admiration, and unwavering love. It's about facing the harsh truths and doing the hard work. It's about creating a partnership where she feels valued, cherished, and deeply loved. This requires effort, sacrifice, and a willingness to confront your own flaws. Remember, a happy wife often translates to a happy life, and a loving marriage creates a ripple effect, positively impacting families and future generations. The legacy you build is forged in the fires of daily commitment. So, gentlemen, let us embrace the power of small gestures, for in the tapestry of marriage, it's the little threads of love that create the most beautiful masterpiece. But never forget, those threads are woven with intention and care. Let your love story be one for the ages, a testament to the enduring power of small gestures, consistently given, graciously received. Strive to be the best for your woman, for in doing so you honor the deepest truths of love and commitment.